Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fry jollof spaghetti. First, gather your ingredients like spaghetti, your favorite vegetables, and a protein such as chicken or shrimp. Next, prepare a vibrant tomato and pepper base for that classic jollof flavor. Ensure you have your cooking oil and essential seasonings ready to go. Now, let's get cooking. Boil your spaghetti until it's perfectly al dente, usually around 8 to 10 minutes. While that's happening, sauté your prepared tomato and pepper base in a large pan until it starts to thicken. Don't forget to add your favorite jollof seasonings to this base for an incredibly rich and aromatic sauce. It's time to bring everything together. In a separate pan, quickly stir-fry your protein and vegetables until they are tender crisp, maintaining their vibrant color. Then, add your perfectly cooked spaghetti directly into the pan with the simmering jollof base. Gently toss and mix all the ingredients until every strand of spaghetti is beautifully coated in the delicious sauce. Almost there, give your stir-fry jollof spaghetti a quick taste and adjust any seasonings to your liking, ensuring a perfect balance of flavors. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Serve your delicious, easy stir-fry jollof spaghetti hot and enjoy this fantastic meal with family and friends. It's truly a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.